Internal parasites have been identified as the highest cost disease of sheep in Australia. In 2006, they were estimated to cost sheep producers a staggering $369 million per year and cattle producers $39 million. Since then, these costs have continued to increase. The selected strain of Duddingtonia flagrans is a natural fungus isolated from pasture and was one of 25 strains found as part of a field survey of nematophagous fungi in Australia by the CSIRO in 1992-93. The preferred strain became IAH 1297. Globally, Duddingtonia flagrans has widespread natural occurrence and low genetic variation, meaning it is similar all around the world. It is highly host-specific for parasites of grazing animals. It colonizes the fecal pats, with surrounding soil rarely colonized. It has no effects on other non-target organisms like insects, earthworms, dung beetles, soil nematodes, soil fungi, or microfauna. It cannot become infective or toxic in warm-blooded animals as the spores do not germinate at 37 degrees or under anaerobic conditions.